Hello, I'm David Harris, and welcome to Nexus, a curated online learning platform designed to provide unique, coeducational experiences for those in both the worlds of functional medicine and health and wellness. Both disciplines take a proactive and regenerative approach to health and well-being, where collaboration is often required as opposed to an approach that is purely reactive and geared to sick care. Both worlds see the body as inherently self-regulating when root issues are properly identified and appropriate corrective strategies deployed. One discipline refers to the customer as the patient, while the other refers to them as a client. Learning formats on the Nexus platform range from more passive learning experiences that are driven by online lectures introducing new theoretical concepts to more highly interactive formats that encourage a collaborative approach to problem solving through case studies and more in-depth Q&A with presenters. Chats, polling, and other tools are used throughout to evaluate impact and efficacy. Each workshop is custom designed to create an optimal learning experience that is in keeping with the topic. A client can be doing everything right when it comes to making healthful lifestyle choices. They may exercise with regularity, eat a seemingly healthful diet, sleep with regularity, and yet as they age and go through life, encounter both subtle and profound health challenges precipitated by more precise issues having to do with allergic reactions, environmental and epigenetic considerations, changes in hormonal output, and gut-brain health. In such circumstances, lifestyle choices may require a more prescriptive and nuanced adjustment to obtain optimal results. Likewise, the patient is more likely to maintain a new homeostasis encouraged by wellness practitioners seasoned in designing and implementing behavior change strategies that can have lasting and progressive impact across all these areas. Because of the frequency with which the wellness practitioner sees the client, their influence is arguably more pervasive. In all of this, conversation, dialogue, and collaboration are essential to the cause. It is my hope that your journey on Nexus fulfills these objectives.